Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to use AI in FlexClip to create videos in the same style as a template. First, open the template page. Log into your account. Here, you can browse different templates or use the search bar to quickly find the one you need. Click AI Recreate to get started. On the new page, you'll see a preview of the template on the left. Next, select a target language, and upload your images and videos as suggested. Click Generate. In just a few minutes, FlexClip will create a new video with the same style as your chosen template. AI will adjust the text based on the media you upload. Then, you can customize the text, music, layout, and other details. Once you're happy with the result, click Export to download your video. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.